and 255 like these village, small hamlets, para kabang ma 255 tongwa ani Ompi Nagar Assembly bisingo. Amono visit khainani not a possible things. Zora kom ni bisingo joto jaga no phaidi. Omo hai damage sini Ompi Nagar andar kabang ma jaga damage. House damage ang saka 181 damages. Pukhuri damage 1000 damages. Kheto thangka damages kabang ma damages. A damages no visit khainani not a possible within a month. Koyang mas ni bisingo visit khaimi akasi public ro lukro jole layu. Onna no kok salayu. Ang hai ni bagini lukro no ani jagao phai nai ge kisa busi bai ni mai. Obviously ang visit khaibe me afana ang authority no inform khaika. Authority no ang janau kha immediately action na di immediately amoni bagai action plan no di proposal ro di samungma khainai. Jora manpur ang visit khaipine.
Acha sir obo hai je kuagmani asu kotoma obo repairing ni provision obo to somai nangnai na motamoti koi mas ni bisingo obo samung romai mana
naidi time ni kuno bound rimeya asung bisingo haijangnai hene ang tak khaimiya karon as an MLA ang authority ni buskango ang place khainai kok sanai pressurize khainai department no so that they take action. Like the borok action not thing, amone against current public role amo belai khane sobse burning issue and important issue amono authority ni buskango already tini authority no hoite proposal reject even from my side I have proposed regarding this landslide issue damage issue no ang already proposed khaika tabo bono immediately action ana bagai just department no sob somoy pressure create khaina. That's all.
Okay, thank you sir.
Okay, enough.